history. All forever Jamaica land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Welcome to Kingston, home of Bob Marley.
The front. Some man get bones, so eat you on the rail. Some don't got to trend. Oi, oi, you got to be conscious. Cause those killing brothers, they're taking it for fun. Sisters are confused and they don't know what to do. That bridge I left on Earth is like a live volcano.
Alright, talk to me. Big man.
What's up, man?
So you're in Trenchtown building. Why are you building Trenchtown?
Hey, it's good to help out, you know? Like, Bob Marley and the Wailers music has blessed all the world with wisdom, you know? And it keeps on coming, you know? There's reggae artists all the time sprouting up, bringing the wisdom to the rest of the world.
Where are you from in the States?
I'm from the United States, Massachusetts.
Okay, so you're vacationing and you just stop by to help out?
Yeah, well, I wouldn't really call it a vacation. I'm a student, you know, so I come down here and we have to work while we have a long break in the wintertime, you know? So we have to work a certain amount of hours. I just choose to bring my work here because this is the yard where it all came from originally.
What university are students at?
Bennington College.
Where is that located?
In Southern Vermont.
Okay. How has Bob Marley changed your life?
Well, I mean, his lyrics have taught me so much about life, you know? It's hard to say how, you know, in words how much he's changed my life, you know what I mean? Because he's like a father to me with his lyrics, you know? Teaching me the right way to go, you know?
Respect.
Yeah, man, but, you know, the other thing is it's like part of a duty of a first world citizen, I think, is to help out in third world countries, you know? Because our government does so much to exploit, you know, all the blessings that are here, all the, you know, the agriculture and everything that's good about this place. Our government exploits and takes advantage of, you know. So it's nice to do my part and come down here and, you know, help things get a little bit better for them.
So Massachusetts is helping Trenchtown.
Yeah, man. You know, I bring more people every time I come here, so definitely.
All right, good.
Keep it coming, man.
I'm doing it partly for school, but also to do it, you know, to come down and be here and be working and be helping out.
All right.
Yeah, man.
And I do it because my ultimate goal is to get a group of people that come and volunteer, like, throughout their travels and bring children from the United States who think they have a really unfortunate life and teach them that, you know, they're really lucky and they have a lot to give.
Good. Respect.
Bless.
The front. Some man get bones, so eat you on the rail.
So for the Trenchtown experience, what would you say inspired you to stay here and help out?
It's just like every other poor area anywhere else. In the middle of Jamaica here. I mean, it's every bit as much help as every other poor inner city community. There should be more superstar coming out of here. Fewer superstar trapped in here. Left to go bad, spoiled.
So you like the vibe in Jamaica, right? Would you live in Trenchtown?
Yeah, I think I'd rather live here even than where I live in the States.
Where do you live in the States?
Rhode Island.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why you like Trenchtown more than Rhode Island?
Everybody here realize they're in a struggle. People in the States think that they're doing fine. Everything's peachy, even as people starve down the street from them. People here look out for their neighbor.
True. That is a Trenchtown experience. What do you want to say to the world for assistance for Trenchtown?
A lot of things in the world for Trenchtown, a lot of hungry people there, boy, you know. Starve, so we got a dangerous time with the name Ivan. We need a lot of things for Trenchtown, food and them things, then. A lot of old people here need medicine, you know that. Liquor being a bit of thing. You know that. Trenchtown a blessed place, you know that. Then, Trenchtown a blessed place.
So you need medicine, what else?
Food and a lot of things that people need at Trenchtown. You know that. PJ Patterson locked down there. PJ Patterson locked down all. Look at sufferer where them can go and get them rare. I lock down the place, I'm gonna build a prison. PJ Patterson build right now, PJ Patterson now uplift youth, you know. Man, if you uplift youth, work like a free zone and them thing there. And I build like a free zone, get the youth them for work and them thing there, you know that. One heap of thing want to go on for Trenchtown youth, them. You see me all down and a little thing. You got to a dangerous time of the Ivan. You know how much people Ivan kill. Ivan kill all two little brother and them sister. But with them life like that. You know that?
Straight.
Straight.
Trenchtown experience.
Trenchtown experience. To me, Trenchtown experience a lot of things. Things which we can't even counteract, and in many ways we try to counteract and it still end up to be bad, you know. So we try our best to make ourselves better off in Trenchtown, no care what, because we got the talent to do the best. And we try our best to make it be the best, no care what the cost.
Straight.
Earth is like a live volcano. Earth is like a live volcano. Earth I run with. Earth I run with. You want to go on. Earth I run with. Earth I run with. Sister, you don't hear what I want. Earth I run with. Earth I run with. Earth is like a live volcano. Amen, bring it to now. The front. Some man get bones. So each up on the rail. Some don't got to trend. Oi, you got to be conscious. Brothers killing brothers. They're taking it for fun. Sisters are confused. And they don't know, they don't know, they don't know what to do. That bridge I left them on. Earth is like a live volcano. Earth is in a turmoil. Earth is in total turmoil. Earth Mothers against daughters. Now you don't see what I want. Hurt around trend. Sister, you don't see what I want. Hurt around trend. Brother, you don't hear what I want. Hurt around trend. Sister, you don't see what I want. Hurt around trend. Earth is like a live volcano. When men bring it to now, it can hear up anytime. Don't let it drop you out of your mind. You got to be conscious and don't lose your head. Brothers killing brothers, and they're taking it from fun. Sisters are confused, and they don't know what to do. Earth is like a live volcano. Earth is in a turmoil. Earth is in total turmoil.
Along this road of life, it's a sacrifice. And only time can free our soul. For love is gone away, all the ways of life now, yeah, now. It's a sacrifice each day we take when we go through life now. And everyone is trying to find a way to make it over all these problems of this road of life. Each day I tell you now it's a sacrifice. Who knows the way to get away from problems? I know one day I'll be set so free. For I know that life controls my destiny. I say each day of life it's a sacrifice, oh love, I know. I tell you, yes, it's a sacrifice. Yeah. Every day we have to try a little harder. We all must learn to try to make things a little better instead of the fusion of love, fusion of life, when we war and we kill each other. It's a sacrifice. Sacrifice, I know. Yes, it's a sacrifice of life to live in this world. And everybody, yes, they're gonna get their turn. Sacrifice.
a knowledge but me life for nothing now. Before me reach where me then me live up in a the ghetto. I suffer and I struggle in a the slum like we black people. My world crash at the age of 13. Mama stop work cause her asthma kick in. From then no more income now come in. No rent no pay for months and the landlord a scream for her. Me sit down in my room and just wondering about if this world a go become any better. Me sit down in my room and just wondering about if in a life man a go become any better. Again. 1 year past me get bigger now. I fi find a way fi take care of me and mama now. I fi start think wiser now, like grown folks do. Now it's time for me to be a man. I fi take the altar where me father shoulda stand up on. As young as me is hard life, I face me and me no know fi face a life. Me sit down in my room and just wondering about if this world a go become any better. Sit down in my room and just wondering about if in a life man I go become any better. Now listen this, summer decide fi go join welfare and at the time that me know I hear. Now I show me face with no welfare. Check up in a me and so me decide fi make a change. Now the streets me turn to decide fi start also come me want look big to yo. Cold days, cold nights man spend pan the corner. Come me have to get the dollar so me sing you know. Me sit down in my room and just